Get a free solution of advanced ceramics. Silicon carbide tube, with its excellent high temperature resistance, corrosion resistance, oxidation resistance, good thermal conductivity, and long service life in many high temperature, high corrosion, and high wear environments show parallel advantages. With its unique physical and chemical properties, silicon carbide tubes have become indispensable heat transfer devices and heat dissipation components in many industrial fields. Its high-temperature stability ensures continuous and reliable operation in high-temperature environments, while corrosion resistance and oxidation resistance further broaden its application range to include fuel gas and oil industrial furnaces such as channel kilns, shuttle kilns, and roller kilns. In heat treatment furnaces, silicon carbide tubes are often used in carburizing, nitriding, annealing, and other processes. Its efficient heating capacity and uniform heat distribution are essential for achieving consistent metallurgical properties of treated materials. In the metallurgical industry, silicon carbide tubes play an important role in metal melting, refining, and alloying furnaces. Its high-temperature stability and resistance to slag and other corrosive substances make it ideal for these harsh environments. In the glass production furnace, the silicon carbide tube not only maintains the necessary high temperature, but also improves the melting and forming efficiency. Its ability to resist thermal shock and glass melt corrosion extends the service life of the furnace. In the petrochemical industry, silicon carbide tubes facilitate endothermic reactions in reformers and other high-temperature reactors, improving the reliability and energy efficiency of production processes. In powder metallurgy, silicon carbide tubes heat metal powder in a sintering furnace to form strong and dense metal parts. In the field of solar power generation, especially in solar thermal applications, silicon carbide tubes serve as heat exchangers to achieve efficient solar energy conversion. Contact ATCERA right now.